Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. David Smith from Seattle, and I have the privilege of teaching a fun course for the Academy for Lifelong Learning called Themes in Philosophy 3. Now, if you didn't take Themes 1 or 2, it's fine. There are no prerequisites, but my 3 courses called Themes in Philosophy, 1, 2, and 3, respectively, are basically philosophy buffets. We nibble on a different, tasty intellectual dish every week. So Themes in Philosophy 3 will include 3 topics, fun things to philosophize about, I think. Philosophy of language, philosophy of culture, the process of belief formation, and civil discourse. So what are those topics all about? Well, philosophy of language, we're going to examine language at a deep level. We're going to ask some fun questions. Are we born with any understanding of language? And why do we often use language in a non-literal way? And what are the pros and cons of written versus oral communication? All kinds of fun stuff. Philosophy of language. Then philosophy of culture. I'm sure we all want to show respect to different cultures. There are strengths and weaknesses everywhere in the world, in my opinion. But I do have a concern as a philosopher. And my concern is how people in our culture sometimes invoke culture in different contexts. For example, I don't think that we should turn a blind eye to persecution or oppression in the name of culture. So we're going to have to talk about the good, the bad, and the interesting of cultures around the world in that class. Third week, process of belief formation. How do people come to their beliefs about everything? What do you believe about science and history and religion and ethics and all the things that we believe things about? Do people choose to believe things, or do beliefs emerge within us naturally as we live our lives and are exposed to many different influences? And finally, civil discourse. How can we have conversations with people who disagree with us about things that matter? In today's context in the United States, it is exceedingly difficult, isn't it, to have conversations about politics, religion, ethics, whatever. We're so polarized. It's really difficult. So we're going to look at what makes incivility so easy for us sometimes, and what we can do to have more civil and meaningful conversations with people in our lives about things that matter. So I hope you'll join us. Themes in Philosophy 3.